Well friends, here is the next problem. Before going to the problem, let me see the given direction. The given direction is find the round number in the given series. Given question is 5, 8, 14, 23, 34 and 50. Given options are 14, 23, 34 and 50. Friends, to solve this, first let me write the given question, that is 5, 8, 14, 23, 34 and 50. So I can get 8 from 5 if I add 3. That is 5 plus 3 is what? 8. 14 is obtained when I add 6 to 8. That is 8 plus 6 is what? 14. And 23 is obtained when I add 9 to 14. That is 14 plus 9 is what? 23. Look at here. 3, 6, 9. Nothing but what? Multiples of 3. That is 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are. So next would be what? 3 fours are. That is what? 12. That means if I add 12 to 23, what I'll get? I'll get 35, not 34. Okay. So if I add 12 to 23, what should I get? I should get 35. But I am having here 34. Let us keep it like that only. Next. Since these are the multiples of 3, so the next is what? 3 5s are, that is what? 15. So when I add 15 to 35, which I have considered, so what I'll get? I'll get 50. Okay. So these are nothing but the series is obtained when we add multiples of 3, that is 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 9, 23, 23 plus 12 should have been 35, but the given number is what? 34. So this is what? The wrong number. Let us check the given options. The first option is 14, the second one 23, the third option is what? 34. Okay, this is the right option. Well friends, we'll see some more problems.